Father the bride, doesn't that sound just great? And what a wonderful bride Katy makes. She looks absolutely amazing in that beautiful dress. Katy, Andrew, you make the perfect couple, and I would like to take this opportunity of wishing you a long and happy marriage and every success for the future. You are both already wonderful parents to Ella and Ivy. Katy, you are a very special bride. And I know Andrew will make a wonderful husband and a great son-in-law. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to propose a toast. Please, could you all raise your glasses for the bride and groom.
When the one whose hand you're holding is the one who holds your heart, when the one whose eyes you gaze into gives your hopes and dreams their start, when the one you think of first and last is the one who holds you tight, and the things you plan together make the whole world seem just right, when the one whom you believe in puts their faith and trust in you, you've found the one and only love you'll share your whole life through.
I, Katy Marie Pearce,
take you, Andrew Thomas Buckland,
take you, Andrew Thomas Buckland,
to be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
Give you this ring.
With all my love.
With all my love.
Therefore gives me the greatest of pleasure to say you are now husband and wife.
The new Mrs. Buckland, my wife, the mother to my two beautiful children. Being a mother to Katy just came so natural. She's an amazing mum to our beautiful girls, and again, I can only thank for what we've done, and it means a lot.
Now, marriage is a big step. It's about commitment, trust and understanding. It's about knowing that when your wife says, I'm fine, she's definitely not fine. It's about compromise, like agreeing to let Katy have control over the wedding playlist, the furniture choices, and basically every other decision for the rest of your life. And it's about teamwork. Andrew will make the big decisions, like what to order for takeaway, and Katy will make the small ones, like where they'll live and how many kids they'll have. So if everyone could raise their glasses to Mrs. and Mrs. Buckland, may your partnership be as solid as Andrew's batting on a good day. Wishing you both a lifetime of love, laughter, happiness and no broken passes. To Andrew and Katy.